Creating a 1-week workout plan depends on your fitness level, goals, and preferences. However, I'll provide a general workout plan that includes a mix of strength training and cardio exercises. Make sure to warm up before each workout and cool down afterward to prevent injuries and aid recovery. Day 1, Upper Body Strength. 1. Bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 2. Bent over rows, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 3. Shoulder press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 4. Bicep curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 5. Tricep dips, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Day 2, Cardio. Choose your preferred cardio activity and perform it for 30 to 45 minutes. Options include running, cycling, swimming, or using the elliptical machine. Day 3, Lower Body Strength. 1. Squats, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 2. Deadlifts, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 3. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 reps each leg. 4. Leg press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 5. Calf raises, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Day 4, Rest. Give your body time to recover and repair. Day 5, Full Body Circuit. Perform each exercise back to back without resting between exercises. Rest for 1 to 2 minutes after completing one round. Aim for 3 to 4 rounds. 1. Push-ups, 12 reps. 2. Bodyweight squats, 15 reps. 3. Pull-ups or lat pull-downs, 10 reps. 4. Plank, hold for 45 to 60 seconds. 5. Russian twists, 20 reps, 10 each side. Day 6, Cardio and Core. Choose a different cardio activity from Day 2 and perform it for 30 to 45 minutes. After cardio, focus on core exercises. 1. Bicycle crunches, 3 sets of 20 reps, 10 each side. 2. Leg raises, 3 sets of 15 reps. 3. Plank with hip dips, 3 sets of 12 reps, 6 each side. Day 7, Rest. Allow your body to recover and prepare for the next week. Remember to listen to your body and modify the intensity or exercises as needed. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and get enough sleep to support your workout routine. If you're new to exercise or have any health concerns, it's a good idea to consult with a fitness professional before starting any workout program.